Alright, in solving this question, some people will say that the answer to this is 30 by going this way. 11 plus 8, 19 times 2 minus 8. 19 times 2, 38 minus 8. 38 minus 8, 30. But in a right sense, this answer is wrong. In solving this question, we're going to make use of order of operation, that is PEMDAS, where P is parenthesis, E is exponential, M multiplication, D division, A addition and subtraction. Now looking at this, we have multiplication here, and from our order, multiplication is higher than addition. So we are going to solve it first. So we are going to have 11 plus 8 times 2 minus 8. We are going to multiply these two first to get 16. So we have 11 plus 16 minus 8. Right? Now, here we have addition before subtraction. So we are going to add this together. This plus this will give us 27 minus 8. This minus this will give us 19. So 19 is the right answer to this question.